in reinforcement learning. Okay, in third branch of artificial intelligence, machine learning, the agent is rewarded for good response and punished for bad ones. Okay, that is the first concept of it. The agent uses this sequence of rewards and punishment for to form a strategy for operating its problem space. Okay, so it is like decision based. If you make a decision, so like it is punished, it is also it is rewarded for the functions it does. Okay, so that it continuously grows, and there's a reinforcement, like he process, he does the action, then he is uh, punished for the action also. Like it's a cycle, it's going on, it is always improving. Okay.